Hello everybody at Oscott Manor. Today I wanted to go through one of the challenges you could do for Easter. I'm looking at junk modelling. So I've tried to collect some stuff from around the house that we might have that we could use to make some models. Today I'm going to look at some robot models that we could make out of junk. The stuff that I've used is mainly egg boxes, which are very useful, and some tubes. Now I couldn't find any tubes myself, so I've had to make them. What I've done is rolled some cardboard up and just put a bit of tape around the top and the bottom to make some tubes. Now the first thing I want to show you is how I've made some robot arms. To make robot arms that move, I'm going to use two tubes. I'm going to put them together like this. I'm going to leave a gap in the middle so it can actually move. So I'm going to use some thick tape to go in the middle. I'm going to put the tubes on the ends and then roll the tape round. There. Not quite used enough there, so I'm going to add a little bit more. So it goes all the way around. And then make sure it's all tightly secured, so then the robot's arm can move. So now I've got an arm, I want to attach it to his body. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one end of the tubes to draw around and make a rough shape of where I want it to go. I'm going to use a pencil to make a little hole in the middle, very carefully keeping my fingers out the way. Then I'm going to use some scissors just to cut to the edge of the holes. Now when I push these in, it should leave enough room for the tube to go in. And then on the back, it's got these little bits that I can just put a little bit of tape on and connect the arm in. Now I've done this on the top of an egg carton, but you could do it as part of your box. When you've connected all those things together, you might be able to make a robot like this. Now this is a big one that I've made recently. You can see I've used egg boxes for legs, I've used a box for his body, and used the little arm technique that I've just showed you to put them together and add them in there. He's also got little joints in his arms so he can move. And he's got a smiley face because I quite enjoyed making this robot. See what you can make.